I'm Christine, Dr. Pearlman's aesthetic nurse.
And I'm Lisa Vasquez. I'm Dr. Pearlman's nurse practitioner. And today we'll be talking about Hyper-Diluted Radiesse and Sculptra. Radiesse and Sculptra are two forms of biostimulators that we can use to help augment the areas of loss that you've had of volume in your face, in your body. A lot of the times we forget as we age, we have something called a dermis, and the dermis loses its support structure. And biostimulators tend to add that support structure back in place. And what we can do with those is we can hyperdilute them with either lidocaine or normal saline. And the goal is so that they can reach a larger surface area distribution.
Radiesse is calcium hydroxyapatite, so that's a biostimulator in itself. But when you're hyperdiluting it, you're taking away its lifting power, and you're just really emphasizing the collagen producing power. So, and it's thinner, it's like a milky consistency, and you can just flood the area wherever you want to stimulate collagen.
There's things like Ultherapy. Ultherapy will also add lifting support. It's ultrasound therapy that helps support structures from the inside and also helps with crepey skin. So when you do a combination treatment of either Ultherapy or other laser therapy modalities, it just gives you optimal results.
I also love it with Morpheus, and you can do it the same day. So it's just like a one and done, and you get everything done the same day, and you do usually about 2 or 3 treatments, but it's amazing.
People think of them not until you need them, but really they work best before you need them, because they'll add that supportive structure, and you're not really going to need as much support versus trying to reverse the aging process. So like people in their 30s, if they use it younger for preventative, they'll have optimal results because they're making all that collagen, versus you get older, you don't make as much.
Especially with this day and age, with people just being more aware of anti-aging and trying to do whatever they can to avoid it in the future or slow down the process. That this is great. This is what Sculptra is awesome.
Yeah. I've treated, late 20s, like 28, 29. They were just marathon runners, but they just didn't have the volume in their face they needed. So this can be used for multiple purposes.
Come in and see Lisa or myself, and we will help you, direct you on a path and figure out an aesthetic plan. And the thing is, you don't have to do everything at one time. You can make a plan. Yes. You don't have to drop like all this money at once. You can make a plan throughout an entire year and start with your priorities and work from there.